Today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the Pittsburgh 3-ton heavy-duty jack stands. These are the steel jack stands, so they're about 2 times heavier than the aluminum ones. The base is 7 3/4 by 6 3/4. The height goes from 11 1/4 to 16 3/4 inches. Alright, we got our jack stands in there. They come without the center pilot installed. Looks like they're wrapped. It comes with a basic instruction leaflet that shows you the basics of how it works. You pull up the handle, allow it to go into the desired height, and then you pull down the handle to lock. When you're working on your car, always put the tires under the car just in case your jack fails. It gives you some extra safety so you don't get crushed and die. All in all, these bad boys did pretty good. So far, I've replaced the struts on my wife's car, done a couple oil changes on the cars at the house, and we haven't had any issues. They've been working great with no chipping of the paint so far.